Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glenneceria's Place, Tiffany-inspired home decor, where I show you how I use all things Tiffany & Company. Isn't that incredible? I can't wait. You will be helping me design my house, my new home, using all things Tiffany & Company. I am so excited. So in the meantime, between time, I have been ordering little things, little items here and there. So I decided to buy myself a few personal items. So we started off with the passport cover to get in my travels. And we had a few issues with that, but we talked about it on previous videos. So you can go back and look at those videos. And then from there, I have purchased a 2021 diary planner from Tiffany & Company online. And from there, I went to the Realreal, which has pre-loved consignment items. And I have a business card slot holder as well. I also ordered a wallet from the Realreal, and I have one more special unboxing for you. And I can't wait to show you this. I'm so excited. So let's get into this video. All right, here we go. The Realreal is a bigger sack. This is what the Realreal gives you. It gives you a sack. Okay? So as you can see through the sack, I guess you know what it is. So let's take it out. Okay. So I have a reversible leather tote bag from Tiffany Co. Let's see what else is in the sack. So right here, what we have, I have a dust bag, which I know couldn't have possibly came with the tote bag, but I'm happy that they gave me something anyway. So I appreciate it. I'll just use it for something else. But we know that this bag, there's no way it came with this small dust bag. But I appreciate it because, you know, hey, at least they gave me something. And of course, you have your Realreal receipt inside and the authenticity that experts have checked this out and looked and claimed it to be a real Tiffany & Company item from the Realreal. Okay? So, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, soft, high leather. Beautiful. It has a little strap. This is Tiffany & Co. And I want to show you that it's some reversible. So you see that color inside? Like a greenish gray. And it's the black on the outside. So what we can do, but before I turn it over, I wanted to show you. See that? Tiffany color, and this is Tiffany & Co. It has it there. We have one on this side. Let me bring it up. Soft leather, butter soft leather. And it's on the reverse side as well. So let's reverse it. This is your bottom. Look how beautiful this bag is from the Realreal. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's reverse it. Taking it, bringing it in, bringing it. Just reverse it. Take it to another color, which is a gray. Leather on both sides. Tiffany have the bag that's reversible, the suede. This is the leather one. You have a key, put your keys on. This attached to the bag. And that's in gray. This is what the bag looks like reversed on the gray side. Okay? You still have your two Tiffany there. And there's a Tiffany there. Still there. And this is what it looks like. Take your strap, you slide it down this little slot right here. You put it and slide it down this slot. And here you go. Isn't that nice? It's a nice size. I love it. I love the size of this bag. Absolutely beautiful. So I think I'm ready to go. The unboxing of my reversible tote. Tiffany Company reversible tote. But I will wear it on the black side. As you know, last video I have the wallet. So I'm very happy with what I have purchased from both sites. From Tiffany Company site itself. And I'm also happy with the purchase from my pre-loved consignment shop, the Realreal. I am happy with all of my purchases. Hopefully everything will work out for me in the long run. Very nice. Love, love, love my bag. Okay. That's the reversible tote from Tiffany Co. Pre-loved from the Realreal. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just put it down in the slot. This is how you will close your bag. There you go. Look at the leather, how soft it is. I don't know if this camera is doing it justice, but my goodness. I am so happy and pleased with this bag. I see no imperfections on this bag. And the cost of this bag that I paid was $270. That's right, I paid $270 for a Tiffany Company bag. Let's talk about the affirmation for today. We're still working on the affirmation for this week. Is I attract lots of money. Let's say that again. I attract lots of money. We on this channel will be talking about ways that you can have your luxury items for less, on a budget, saving for it, ways to save for these pre-loved items or the new items that you choose. We are going to talk about taking a bag or taking a bank and putting your coins in and just specifically leaving that alone for 6 months to a year. You know, build yourself up to buy whatever you like. You don't have to, if you like the finer things and if you feel that you want designer things, there's nobody here to say that you can't own anything designer. You can have whatever you like. Whatever you like, you can have. Full price, half price, discounted, pre-loved. There's nothing that you can't achieve and have. Okay, so our affirmation is manifesting money, getting this money into our lives so you can have and buy the things that you love and you desire and that you deserve to have if you choose to have these things. I attract lots of money to me. Have a great day. I love you all, and I see you in the next video. Take good care of yourself. Well, I think I'm ready to go find me a house. I have my bag, my wallet. I have my planner to jot down notes. I'm ready. Are you ready? I'll probably take you along on some of the house tours, okay? Would you enjoy that? I think you will. Have a good day, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Reversible Tiffany Company tote. $270 on the Realreal. That was a steal, right? Excellent. Bye now. Have a good day. Mwah.